Whoa. Sound like that one launched. Okay, I'm getting back in the bunker now.
That's good. Yeah, Mike, you stand right there.
And just as an afterthought, Captain Chappell was saying this was Iraqi munitions. Do they have any chemical munitions there?
I certainly hope not.
What?
I'm sure there were no chemical munitions.
Motherfucker.
You putting in your walking papers, huh? Shit, ain't no pilots flying in here tonight.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, did you get that on video?
Yes, I did. Holy fuck. Buddy, I don't think that's an impact.
Oh!
We gotta get the fuck
Did you get that, bud?
Oh my god, dude.
That fucking shockwave about blew me on my feet, man.
Oh shit.
Shit. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I got that one. I got it, man. I got all this shit.
Are you taking stills as well?
Nah, but I can get stills off the digital.
Roger that.
Holy fuck.
At least we get a warning.
Oh, jeez. This shit's just starting, man. Oh, man. I'm about to run out of tape, dude. It's not blowing towards us. Yeah, we're safe right now, man. Oh, man.
DFAC is the area to go to, though. Here in about 5-10 minutes. Look at those flames, man.
I'm getting it, man. Hey, Edge, do me a favor, man.
Yeah?
Reach down in my bag right there at your feet.
Yep.
Grab me another tape. There should be a tape in one of the side pockets.
Yep. Oh. On the inside?
On the out, so it's one of the outside side pockets. I don't want to miss any of this shit. It should be unopened.
Yep. I think. Oh, this one's open.
No. Still got the wrap on it.
I got it.
Oh shit. Damn, those flames. Oh,
Here we go
shit.
again.
Another one. Ah, fucking A. Fuck no. I'm getting this shit on tape, man.
Right fucking there, dude.
Where? There you go.
Thanks, man.
Here we go again.
Cover it. Small one.
Lower.
I'm good.
That was little. I was disappointed.
Holy shit. Man, I'm getting all this shit, dog.
We need to recall the Cook Fire Department.
Oh my
But
god.
their fire chief was assassinated.
Attention. Alarm red. All personnel seek shelter in a bunker. I say again, all personnel.
Well, I think we'll be getting a few more squads in.
To do what?
Stand around and watch flames. Whoa.
This smoke's gonna mess us up.
Yeah. This ain't stopping. It's gonna be a damn miracle if nobody gets hurt.
Bats are gonna see something. Start shooting shit.
Ah, another one. Jesus, we got that many munitions?
There you go. There goes the flare. Wild. There they go.
Whoa. Sounds like shit's coming towards us. Another one. Hold on.
They're getting. Yeah. That's...
So it's a good thing the planes. Ah, shit, another one. So what's blowing now, man? Is it still munitions?
We're asking Bravo 1011 if they got visuals in there.
Roger, center 310 degrees. Do not have a engine.
Another one, damn.
It's going to our right.
Sure would help, man. Damn, I'm gonna lose my power.